Join me in preparing my custard meal. I already have the custard powder. I'm pouring in the custard powder. I'm adding the clean water. Emphasis on clean water. Make sure you always get clean water to add in your powder mix. So, and after that, you need to mix it thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly. And then I've already boiled water before. So now I'm adding my hot water. And after adding the hot water, you would know when it is ready because you see the color, it is changing. It will change. This one has already changed, so it will change, and you get something like a golden brown. And look at this, looks good, looks smooth. Have you seen anybody making custard this smooth before? Let me know in the comments. I doubt you do. So anyway, after mixing, I just have to mix thoroughly. What you need for this mix, what you need for breakfast, this is a very easy recipe for basic breakfast meal. And you just need your custard powder, emphasis on clean water. Make sure you always get clean water, hot water, and then you can add fruits if you want. But me, I'm not adding fruit. I'm only adding sugar and milk. So right here, I'm adding my sugar in, and after which I'll add my what's it called milk. But before then, I need to mix it. So right now, you can see that I'm mixing it, and food is ready. Oh. Food is ready because now I'm adding the milk. And so that's it for the easy peasy custard meal breakfast for anybody. You can do this for your children, for yourself, for office, for any time.